Hey, boys. What's happening? What we got here? J and G. How you doing?
Good.
How you
Good.
doing? Right? What's up? So what do we got? This is what's in the box?
The animals.
4x4 X claws. That's crazy. Look at that. Turn it around. Let me see. Turn it around. It says the ultimate, let me see, the ultimate unboxing truck. So, can you release the beast? That's what it says. You see that right there? Can you release, let's see, hold on. Look what it says. Can you release
The beast.
the beast? Oh my goodness, that's crazy. Let's focus in on that. Release the beast.
Release
All right, turn it around. How do you open it up?
Um,
The animal. It's got the animal claw.
Right here.
So where's the 4 trucks? Let's see the 4 trucks. Let's see. Yeah, turn around, Greg.
right here.
Tear its way out of the box, claw, and climb where others can't, again and again. And it says transform truck to beast, and then it says tug and tow. So, is there a certain way you open a box?
Yes.
Where?
So we
Is
got
the red
this.
lines? What is that? Batteries?
Yeah.
So where's the red line? It's a red dot or red arrows that's telling you how to open it up. Let's see.
Oh my gosh!
Turn it around. Turn it around. Let's see. Let's see.
Look,
Whoa.
just tear it open.
Wait, there's the line. You gotta follow the lines right there, right? See the red lines right here, bud?
Where? Right
Right
here.
there. Yeah. Yeah, rip it open. Yeah. Move over, Gray. There you go.
It'll open both of them.
There you go.
Huh?
Wait a minute.
Come on.
You take it all out.
Oh my.
Well,
There's another box.
Oh
Now you
my-
gotta insert the key.
Where's the key?
Where's the key?
Where's the key?
What's
Whoa!
going on?
I
Key?
see it.
Oh my.
Yell. It says yell. It's no. Wait a minute. Turn it around because it's 1 through 5. So turn it around. Number 1 says what? Wait a minute. Number one
says.
This is scary. It's a beast inside. Turn it around.
Oh my goodness, look at the top of it. Look like something came through the top of it.
Let me see.
What?
Oh.
This?
Oh, it's open.
What is that? Something's inside.
What's inside?
Wait, no, pull it again. Wait a minute.
Yeah,
What's
what's in here?
That's number 2, but so number 1. Turn to number
So
1.
that's number 2.
Number
Turn to
one.
Turn it around. Find number 1.
Where's number one?
Where's number 1, G?
Where's number one?
Turn it all the way around. What is that?
Here.
Oh my goodness.
I see it. I can't
There's
find
number 1. Number 1 is right there. On the
Where?
other side.
Where?
Turn it all the way around.
I see it. Alright.
That's number 1. Place on what?
Place.
What does it say?
On-
Flat surface. Danger.
Ding.
May cause too much fun.
Oh my goodness.
Number 2. What's the number 2?
Pull. Wait. So pull the
What's this number 2 says?
tab out.
Say.
Pull the tab out
Right.
if the. What was that?
Pull the what?
Pull
Must
the-
read for maximum fun. Pull the tab out of the crate and reveal the key.
So.
So
Also
there's the number 2.
This.
Pull that out.
Ready?
Yeah. You got it? Mommy?
Pull the tab out.
What tab?
That right
Pull it,
there.
just
Pull
pull
it.
This?
There you go. It's like,
Wait.
what?
Is it right there? Right here. Oh. Stab.
There's a key. Wait. There's a key.
Oh no.
Jay.
Dad.
There's a key right there.
Now number 3.
Oh,
What's this
no.
a 3? Turn around to 3. It says what? Insert.
No, wait. Insert.
Yeah, it tells you right there, buddy. Turn to
Insert
number
the
3.
key. Insert the key right here.
Put the
So,
key in.
have to get that out.
Put the key in. What's going to happen? Guys, do you think something's going to break out of this?
I don't think so. Take it off. Just...
What do you think is going to happen?
In here?
Oh my goodness.
That's it?
Do you... Whoa! What is going on?
What is in there?
What's number 4? Hurry up and get to number 4.
What's that?
We don't know what's number 4. What's number 4?
What's number 4?
Number 4?
Turn around. It says yell here.
Yell.
Yell.
Yeah, where?
It says yell in the right in the in the cage.
In here?
Grace, you gonna yell?
Okay, I know what to do.
Go ahead.
Oh,
Did you yell? Yell,
you
Jonathan.
did. It's,
Oh!
oh,
What's number 5? Grayson
it
got
says
knock here on
knock
number
here.
5. What's going on?
Knock here where?
What
Down
is
there.
in there?
Knock. Knock. You gotta knock harder. Bring it around.
Oh my goodness.
No.
It's not not last time.
Move it over here. Move it over here. Put this thing on.
Let's go down to there.
It's too far. Oh! What's number 6? Number 6, please. What's number 6?
Number 6. Let's go to
This thing is crazy.
number 6.
What's going on?
Number 6.
What's number 6 say?
There's no number 6.
It's what?
There's no number 6.
Okay, so now what? What is number 6? It is a 6. No,
Where?
it's a 5.
Fine.
Now what?
How do we go out?
Oh, you gotta let this thing out. What's going
Trying
on?
to get out.
You gotta let this thing out. It's going on. What's wrong with it? What's inside?
It's lighting up.
What is going on? It's
What? Stop! What's happening?
Stop it. Where'd you get this toy? Where'd you get the toy? Where'd you get it?
In a cage.
Oh! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Stop out! Whoa!
My goodness.
Unbelievable.
What? What
Did you
the?
just see that?
What? Oh.
Yo,
What happened?
that is crazy.
Hello.
The truck is alive.
He pulled out something. He pulled out something.
Whoa!
Oh,
Whoa, whoa.
Still moving.
Just
Hey guys,
stay
look
right
at it. He
there.
got claws coming out of his
Hey, look.
his tires.
Okay, stop. Stop.
Look at the claws.
He
Actually, it's alive. The truck is alive.
He pulled something out.
so open that.
Open what?
The
Open the box.
What's in the box?
He pulled
What's
the box.
in the box? Whoa. This is crazy. This is crazy. I've
go
never
up.
seen anything like it. It's like it's a little person inside the car. Who's telling it what to do? Who's telling it what to do? I am not saying anything.
Oh! Oh! That is super creepy. It just went out.
It's the muffler and the horn.
Wow.
Look, horns and horns.
Oh! Oh!
So, that was cool. Yeah.
That's amazing. What? It's still moving. I think he wants the plastic off of his front of his face. Move the plastic. Whoa! Move the plastic. Hurry up. He's angry. The car's upset. Ah!
I can't.
It's hard.
Move
Oh
the
my!
plastic.
Oh! Oh my!
Tell him to talk to
Okay.
him nicely. Maybe he'll.
What? Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Calm down.
His claws are just protruding.
Calm
His
down.
claws is protruding out of his.
Calm down.
Calm down, calm
Look at
down.
his eyes. Look at his eyes. Look at
Whoa!
his eyes.
The eyes are lit up.
Oh,
Oh!
How do we get it? What does it say?
It's a haunted
How do we
car.
get
This
this
is
thing off?
Crazy. What in the world?
How do we get this
Who
thing
can
off?
afford it? What's this? It's a me!
What is that?
Whoa! 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 What's going on here? No! Grace, get out the way, buddy! Wow! It's all kind of mayhem around here. What's going on? We're supposed to be a Christmas.
God. If you push that
What's going
button,
on?
if you push that button,
It's all mind of its own. Get the plastic out of his face.
Stop! Stop moving!
I think if you stop yelling, maybe.
Shh.
Maybe if you
Be quiet. Shh. It goes off with commands. You gotta be quiet. Shh. Okay, guys. You gotta be. We're trying to be really quiet. This truck is a haunted truck.
We got it from a cave.
Got it from the box. Somebody sent us a box.
Yeah.
And we had no idea.
Who is that?
Well, it wasn't somebody. It was their TT. TT sent them a box.
A TT.
Yeah, we just got a note. TT sent us a box and we had no idea
What is this?
what kind of car this was. Until we opened it up, we followed the directions. We have to call your TT back.
How do you take the
The
plastic?
plastic, we're trying to get the plastic.
There you go.
There you go.
Still moving.
He feels much better. Whoa. Whoa.
Close that.
What's that?
Put it on there.
Okay. I'm down.
This is so intense. Calm down. No, you got
No,
it's got to be
other way.
no the other way, bud.
Yeah, open that.
Open
Oh
this.
my goodness. Whoa. Whoa, stay tuned, guys. We gotta try to get him back in his cage. So you gotta let us know what we can do. Comment below to let us know how to get him back in his box. We can't keep him out all night like this. He'll climb up the stairs and try to drag us down. This is
Help! Stop
we
moving.
can't even get the toe hook on.
You can't do it.
But we gotta get him back in his box. You gotta help us. How do we get him back in his box? This is a raging maniac truck.
Can you help
It
me?
growls. It spits out fire. And his eyes are like the sun.
Oh my gosh. He's not gonna stop.
Oh, he's still moving. So comment below. How can we get him back in the box? You gotta get him. He is going. Don't stop. Get him. Where is he going?
Where's he going?
Where's he going?
Ow!
Comment below. Oh, he climbs over anything.
Yeah,
Nothing can stand in his way.
His claws can't go over anything.
Whoa!
Goodness,
We gotta try to get him back in the box. Please help.
Where's he going?
We gotta call animal control or
He's
something.
going!
No. Let him go down. Maybe he'll flip over.
Oh.
Whoa! That'll stop him for the time being, guys. But comment below, and we got to get him in a box. But this'll hold him for now on his side, okay, guys? Like and subscribe. Tell us what we should do. So see you later. We got to try to figure out a way to get him in his box, okay? All right, G. All right. See you later, guys. We're gonna figure out a way.